Hello and welcome in another SNS video. Today I'm in brand new 2024 Audi A3. This is the facelifted model, and what we're going to be doing to this car is the OEM Audi reversing camera. So at the moment the car has front and rear sensors. Please don't worry about the car showing the bonnet open. We got it open because we started already doing some coding to it. I'm already sitting in the workshop. However, just wanted to show you the car came with the original front and rear sensors. So we've got the buttons here. If I press that, it brings the sensors. So you've got the front and rear showing, but it has no reversing camera. We will be adding that to the car. So let's get to it and we're showing it's all completed. Back in the car, the job is completed. So let me show you now how the system works. So if I select the parking now, you can see straight away now, before we had the car menu, but now we get the full rear view picture. Look at the quality of the camera, so much better. It has improved again. Between the previous generation and the latest facelifted model, the camera quality is even better now. Again, it comes with the guidelines which move with the steering wheel. As you can see, left and right, I'm moving the steering wheel. And obviously, the sensors that were originally installed still work, so all works together as it should. Now let me also show you how it all looks at the back. And here you can see the camera fully installed in the grip, so that's how it looks. Barely visible from here really, but that's how the camera sits. It hasn't changed really, that is the same. This is the facelifted model again, 2024. This grip looks exactly the same, but it has a better quality lens, that's for sure. So again, all done to the factory specification, including 3 years warranty. For more information, get in touch with us. Links will be in the description. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one.